After you resolved a trap in Sage, you'll see that you now have the resolve summary here listed on the trap details screen, as well as the ability to go to the resolve history located here next to the regular history. Any updates done through resolve will also be reflected in this history tab as well, as far as traps being replaced, conditions being updated. But of course, here you have a more focused view on just the resolve history. And of course, after you've gone through and resolved multiple traps and you start building that history, you can also run reports. There is a resolve trap report. You, of course, have the ability to generate this report, much like our survey summary, in the sense that you're running the report on a window of time, 1 day up to a month. The default is the last 30 days. So it'll report on the traps resolved in the last 30 days. And you have the ability to have a summarized version, or you can toggle this off to have a detailed version. I've already generated a report here for this location, my ABC company. And we can see if I scroll through here, the report looks the same as most of our other reports. And then when you get to the content, you see here it shows you kind of resolve summary, trap type summary, so you can see how many different traps you're resolving of a specific technology, i.e. inverted bucket versus float. Here you'll be able to see the manufacturer breakdown of your resolves. And this is the summarized version. To kind of get everything on one page, when you scroll to the next page here, we're going to see the subset of my data. So again, I was doing this on an account with multiple locations, so the breakout pages below are going to be on each location. Whereas if you're running it on one location with multiple groups, the breakout pages will be the groups and so forth. So the next tab here I'm going to open up, it shows us the if we toggle off the summarized version. So again, it's going to be very similar for the Resolve report. The first page is going to look identical as far as our breakdowns of our Resolve summary, our Resolve manufacturer summary, and that data. But when we scroll down to the location screen, we're actually going to be able to go to the next page, and we're actually going to get a little bit more detail about each trap, including a photo. So here we can see our traps were resolved, who performed the resolve, what was done as far as being repaired or replaced, what was the previous condition. So it gives us a little bit more information.